I guess here most of them get answer 44 for this problem in wrong order. Here 4 square is 16 divided by 2 plus 3. Here bracket is 5 minus 1 in bracket. Here 16 divided by 2 is 8 plus 3 times 5 minus 1 in bracket. Here 8 plus 3 is 11 times 5 minus 1 in bracket. Here 11 times 5 minus 1 is 4. Here 11 times 4 is 44 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operations PEMDAS, this 44 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation to solve this problem in the correct order. Here this is a bracket higher priority. This is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, A stands for subtraction. Here multiplication, division both are equal priority. Also this addition, subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct order by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Yes, with this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority, so we have to do this bracket before this operation. Here 4 square divided by 2 plus 3. The bracket is 5 minus 1 is 4. Here the next priority is exponent, so we have to do this exponent before this operation. Here 4 square is 16 divided by 2 plus 3 times 4. Here the next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have division and multiplication, so we have to do this multiplication division before this addition. Here multiplication division both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is this 16 divided by 2. Here 16 divided by 2 is 8 plus 3 times 4. Here we have addition and multiplication. Here multiplication is higher priority than this addition, so we have to do this multiplication before this addition. Here 8 plus here 3 times 4 is 12. Here 8 plus 12 is 20 is the correct answer.